Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to enable or disable the emergency braking. So at the very beginning, let's use the dashboard behind the steering wheel. Then let's navigate here by using both arrows. You can use, for example, the right arrow. You can find these arrows on your steering wheel. Let's highlight here the settings, press OK button to enter the settings. If you enter the settings, you can scroll down to the second option, which is the driver assistance. Press OK button to enter this feature. Then scroll down here to choose the emergency brake. So let's highlight the emergency brake and press it. Use OK button to confirm it. Alright, so right now I've got enabled the front and rear. I really like to have this feature enabled, so let me keep it that way. If you would like to disable this feature, simply just press it by using OK button. And let me just explain what does it do. This monitors the road ahead using a camera and radar. So the front one, if the car ahead of you stops suddenly, or if a pedestrian steps into your path, the car will first give you a loud warning beep and then a visual alert. So if you don't react fast enough, the car will automatically apply the brakes to try and stop the car, or at least reduce the force of the impact. You can also use the rear one. As you can see, rear automatic braking. This works while you are in reverse. What it does, while backing up, the car uses its rear sonar sensor to look for objects, like a wall, a pole, or another parked car that you might have missed. The action: if the car thinks you are about to hit something behind you, it will slam on the brakes automatically. It feels sudden and can be quite loud, but it's designed to prevent parking a lot of accidents. So I really like this feature, and I really appreciate to have the chance to enable both emergency brakes. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.